Well, now it is time to create our first Java application that will say Hello Internshala. So here in front of you, this is the IntelliJ IDE welcome screen that we installed in our previous video. So in order to get started with our first application, we need to start creating our new project. And then it will ask you what kind of application you are interested in. Android, Maven and so on. Right now we are interested for the Java application. So make sure you have selected Java and on the right you will find the project SDK. Now make sure it is showing some Java version. Because we have already installed Java and we are also done with the setup of the IntelliJ IDE in our previous video. For some reason it is showing blank here, then make sure you have installed the IntelliJ IDE properly that we did in our previous video. Simply select the version and click on Next. And right now for creating a new project, I will select a default template that is provided by the IntelliJ IDE. Command line app and then click on Next. And here in this wizard we have to give our project a name such as, let's say, Java app. And here you have to decide where do you want to store your project. Right now I will store it inside the desktop. Click on Open. And in the desktop I need to create a new folder, let's say Java app. So we are going to store our project in desktop inside the folder of Java app. And down the side you will find the base package. Now here it is of the syntax com.company. Now there is a strong reason behind the default base package name that you can see in front of you. You need to replace the base package by your company domain name. What I am trying to say is, if your company is Internshala, then replace this company by. Now what is the reason behind why I am typing com.internshala? The reason behind this is that the IntelliJ IDE wants your base package to be unique in the whole world. So if my company domain is internshala.com, then I will type com.internshala. You can see the live example in front of you. This is the website of the Internshala. So here it has the domain name of internshala.com. So this internshala.com is unique in the whole world. That is, no other website can hold this domain name. So what if I reverse the name com.internshala? So the reverse name will again be unique in the whole world. So that is why by writing com.internshala it makes our base package name as unique in the whole world. Now if I further type dot, let's say Java app, then still our package name remains unique. Currently I recommend you that you write the same package name that I have written here, com.internshala.java app, so as to avoid any confusion while running our first Java application. And then click on Finish. And then it will ask you the directory does not exist, so simply click on OK. So this will create a new folder Java app within which our project will be found. So when your project loads, it will show you the tip of the day. Let us close it. Now that we have created our first project, let us continue our discussion in the next video.